guys, so welcome to another video. And to no you're not them not gonna see you. I'm not gonna say in the frame not at all. Hi guys, so welcome to another video, and I do have a makeup tutorial on this look. It's coming up soon. Fret not thyself, boo-boos. But today is all about that beautiful bag that's behind me. This bag is mega huge, and it's from a company called Bag.whitney. I did not get that bag for free. That bag was actually purchased with my own monies, and of course it's an inspiration bag. It's an inspiration instead of knockoff because there is no branding of the designer that is inspired of, if you understand. A lot of bags are complete knockoffs. It has like the names and everything, and the exact, I mean down to the T exactly what the original bag has or what the original designer has, but then it's not from the original designer and it's like dirt cheap. With this bag, this bagging bag, I think it's called Whitney, and it is the it's from the inspiration. It is inspired by the Phantom bag by I'm having so much brain farts. The Phantom bag by Celine, right? Now you guys don't know this about me, but I'm a huge Celine addict. Celine, Louis Vuitton, those are my top favorite handbag designers, and y'all know your girl can't afford one right now, so I'ma just roll with this right here. Now the good thing is with Bag Inc bags is that they're genuine leather. You see how it's keeping its structure? When it just came to me, it was cinched in, right? So I have it stuffed. Let me just open it up. I have it stuffed, so and I have it packed already. So I'm going to remove the stuffing and show you guys what inside looks like. So this is the bag completely empty, and it still has a structure, and that's because I had it stuffed. Now this one is the I think it's called the Whitney bag in croc effect. So it's like bright red, and I don't have a bright red bag. And for me, I prefer buying different bag styles as well as different bag colors. So you'll hardly ever see me with another bag that is the same style and the same color. You know what I mean? Like I'm not going to have this in the black, the blue, the brown, or whatever. I'd get another bag, another design for the color that I want it to be in. So this is the bag, like just in my hand alone, like I'm not even like trying to hold up anything. The handles are standing up really nicely, genuine leather, and at the bottom it has 4 feet. Yeah, it has 4 feet at the bottom, so you can sit it down. Very nice and sturdy. But this is what caught me, right? The inside. The inside is huge, and the inside is like this suede, velvety. I mean, I was shocked. Oh, this bag is $129, and I was completely surprised. I was like, just the quality of it, because I wasn't expecting it to be this good. I really wasn't. Oh, so it came like this, cinched in. Hold on, let me try and cinch it in for you guys. Milo, no, left it. I'm going to just stuff back the bag. Leave it. So it came cinched in like this, and when I like this, sorry, and when I like put it out, it was like kind of folding back in, and I was like, oh crap, the bag's ruined. The bag's ruined. But it's not. And I know I'm going to get asked, lyrics are customs in a radio. No good girl, somebody bring it down for me good. You have to think at that time. That's you wanna do, I think at that time. And as with the Celine, the legendary zip at the front here. So nice. People always say, I don't know how to get fit in here. My love, you'll find something fit in there if I go pay and the money for them big Celine bag there. But I love this bag. This is my new what do you call it, everyday bag, because you guys, I did a what's in my bag with my Michael Kors Selma satchel, and that bag I've been carrying since before that. I did not switch my bag out. That's the bag I've been carrying. On my birthday, no, I got another bag. I think it was the dress tote. I only carry that to church and on special occasions. And now I have this bag to give my Michael Kors bag a rest, and I just love the design of it. It's so structured. Now let me tell you the drama that came with this bag. So when you order on the site, them tell us say, I'm going to patch a little bit. Oh, this I like the something make it smell good, and so a little bit. Look a beady something, make it smell good. You know keep it fresh. rotten. Mother saying to keep it fresh. So I watch a lot of YouTube videos, as with most of us, whenever we're going to purchase something or get something, or if you're as excited as me, watch a bag of video, I'm gonna do a bag of research, I'm go up on the side, I'm a drool, I'm an anchor. So when I was doing the research for this one, I saw that it got not a lot of bad reviews, but not so good reviews because of how the company dealt with people ordered, didn't get the right bag, and bagging was like, okay, we'll refund you, but send back the bag. You have to send back the bag with your money. So on top of paying probably $100 some for the bag, you have to send back, ship it back to China or whatever it's coming from, which shipping is ridiculous, probably $30 or $40 something. Crazy ridiculous shipping. So yeah, so in addition to that, you'd have to send it back to them, and then you'll get your refund. I mean, it was just a whole heap of stuff. You have this one video that says "FU Bag Inc," and I'm just like, do I want to do this though? No, my issue with the company is that when you order, them say that you get your tracking, I think the same day or the day after. Baby love, but sit down, I'm waiting for the tracking for 7 days. 7 days. I'm gonna say, Jesus God, them trick me. Them trick me. Ching line trick me. Ching line trick me. Ching line. Ching line. Alright for that. Alright for that. I was worried. First of all, I really wanted this bag, and for no one said them trick me. I got my money. Messages this girls. So I wrote them. I'm gonna say, listen now. I'm in a ramping. Up a bag with a truck in there. And then I got, I think his name is Marvy or Mavy. I think that's like the auto response, because when I watch other videos, they speak about this person that has this M name. I think it's Marvy or Mavy or Marvy or something like that. And I'm saying, oh, you know, I'm going to talk to my manager, so I'm going to track it next day. So whenever you order on Bag Inc, this is what I think you should do if you're going to order. When the order go through, the following day say, listen, when I get my tracking yet, I have not received the tracking, what is going on? So you can get your tracking same time. So once you get tracking, your bag is sent out like that. Got the tracking, and think the bag got to my friend within 3 days, 2 days, something crazy like that. So as soon as you order today, you write them tomorrow, listen, where are my tracking? And then you get tracking same time, and you get a bag quickly. I am not disappointed with this bag. It is so, I just packed back my stuff in there. It is so huge. It is so huge. I am in love with it. I love big bags, and because, you know, I'll be packing for 2 shortly, so I'm way more into big bags now than I was before, because now I can just throw in everything. I'm going to have a diaper bag, you know, separate in a bag, but suppose more stylish and feel ups, so everything can hold in here, like, you know, Pampers, clothes, wipes. I mean, this bag is big. When I watch reviews and I was like, it's not that big. It's huge. Please believe me, I want big dirty bag. No, I chose this style because I have other styles on there, but I chose the croc effect because it looked a bit more structured to me. You have some other one, Queen Gem I think has one, and hers is pink, and then there's the other girl that has one, hers is black, and then Beauty by JJ has, I think, a burgundy one and a like a Dooney looking one, like a light khaki looking one. But for those, I realized that the wings, they didn't look as structured, and the wings had creasing. Look at these wings. I mean, these this is gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous, and I love it. And again, the bag is by Bag Inc, and you can cinch it in here and close it. Oh gosh, the main thing, it has a zipper. The original, not the original, the Celine that this bag is inspired from, the Celine Phantom, it does not have a zipper. You just open it and go in. It doesn't have a zipper, and this has a zipper on the top, which is good. I don't mind zippers or non-zippers. I really don't mind, because I love when my bag has that room, yeah? So this is the bag. I'm done rambling, done talking. That's the bottom, nice and structured, absolutely beautiful bag. Definitely a statement piece, and definitely my new to-go everyday carry around bag, because it fits so much in there. I have another video that I want to do for you guys, and it features this Michael Kors bag, but I want to get everything first. I want to do a video that has my what do you call it, like hospital bag, like what to pack, because I've been watching a lot of those videos, what to pack for the hospital when they're having a baby and stuff. So I figured I want to do a video like that. And yeah, it's already packed in there somewhat, but I still want to get some other stuff in there as well. And if, well, when I get to this, I'll get to it, so whatever. But I just want to know that that video is coming, and as soon as I get the stuff that I need, then I want to do that video. And the reason I'm doing that video is for people, it's for people like me who are new mothers, and I have been researching a lot what to bring. I've been researching. I haven't watched one video. I've just been watching videos over and over and over and over, and how to bathe the baby and how to do that over and over and over. Because you know I'm a YouTube junkie, so anything I want, YouTube or Google. It's either YouTube or Google. One to the 12, either YouTube or Google. So yeah. Whew. Yeah, that's it, I think. That's it. Oh, that's it. Again, thank you so much for your support for my Call Me by Lyric page. Y'all are still showing me love. You're so romantic. Call Me by Lyric Instagram, check it out. Won't say nothing else, have to build the anticipation. Okay, so I guess I'll talk to you guys in my next video, so bye.
God bless. Praising God. I am why the we're praising God. I'm so we don't need no prophecy. Like it can take praising God. All of we want for the Lord Jesus Christ. Praising God. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna lead them. In the sky, we're God is all I need. Tell them so we gonna lead.